Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this quick Google Sites guide, I'm going to show you how to add a sidebar to your site. Yeah, the kind that stays on the side with links or menus. Google Sites doesn't have a built-in sidebar button anymore, but there's a super simple workaround that gives you the same layout. Let's get into it. All right, first thing, open the page where you want the sidebar. On the right-hand panel, you'll see the Insert tab. We're going to use a section layout to basically build the sidebar manually. Yeah, it's easier than it sounds. So, scroll a bit and choose the two-column layout. This layout gives you a skinny column on one side and a wider area on the other, which works great as a sidebar. Drag the layout onto your page and you'll see both columns appear instantly. Now, here's the part that kind of makes it feel like a real sidebar. Hover between the two columns and drag the vertical line to make the left column narrower, like a traditional menu space. Take your time here. Yeah, adjust it until it looks right. Next, add whatever you want inside the sidebar. Most people add text navigation links, buttons, icons, or even an embedded menu. To keep things clean, I usually drop in text first, then link it to the other pages. And if you want the sidebar to show on basically every page on your site, no problem. Just right-click the section and choose Duplicate or Copy it, then paste the same sidebar layout onto your other pages. It keeps everything matching and saves you a ton of time. And that's it. That's how you add a sidebar in Google Sites, even though the feature isn't built in. If this helped, go ahead and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.